I'm dying.
I want you to come to me.
I haven't been here for like 20 years. I didn't think I'd ever come back. Hi.
Welcome.
Hello, stranger brothers. Do we hug?
I know you're familiar with the story of Andy's conception.
Oh, you mean the one about you having an affair and destroying Mum's life and taking the baby in afterwards?
All of which is true, except the story itself.
Hello.
The more you talk, the less I believe it.
Oh, shut up.
We're supposed to just forget everything he ever did to us.
He stole my journals for a novel that later became a smash hit.
It's authenticity. That was what I was famous for.
I'm going to tell him everything.
What do you mean by everything?
I mean everything, everything.
I don't think you realize how important you are to him.
I'm connected to you and I can't explain it.
To see the possibility of what could have been. To see myself do better this time.